Hello everybody, welcome to this Advanced Excel Magic course. Today we going to learn about some product. So what is some product? Okay, for example, I have a product like this. Okay, it's apple, orange and guava. So the rate also given. So rate is given as 50 for apple for per kilo. So orange is 100 and guava is 20. So now um, the quantity also they given. Okay, the apple quantity is 100, so orange is 50 and guava is 100. Now uh, I want the value of the total of this three products. Okay, for example, this 50 into 100, which is the quantity, so that I want to do that. So how to do that? Okay, normally how you will calculate. So you have to add one column in the D column as total. So after that you have to put so rate into quantity. So rate into quantity. After that you have to total this and you have to put another total. So it is showing a 10,200. So now, so what you are doing, you have to add one column and you have adding you have to multiply these two cells. You copy and paste this. After that you have put another total. So this is a three-step process. Okay, so first you're adding is first step. After that you have to put a calculation. A multiplication is the second step, and third step is you are adding a total sum of this three. So now I will give one good solution. Within one single step you will solve this. You will find this product cost. Okay, total value of the product. So how to do that? So I will delete this cell. Okay, so now go to this cell. Okay, the total column, you go to this. You put a formula called sum product. So once I put sum p, it will showing the sum product. So I no need to type everything. Okay, so it will take some time. So if the formula bar will show here, I want to tell one tips. You have to click on tab. So once you click on tab, the sum product and open bracket will automatically comes by the Excel. But this option is not available in the 2003, but in the latest version and all 2007, 10 and the latest version and all, this option is arrived. So now this sum product. Okay, this is the sum product formula. So you have to put a sum product. So now in the helper column, it is showing that array 1, array 2, array 3. So what is array? For example, I have a three products: apple, orange, guava. The rate is we consider as array 1 and quantity is considered as array 2. So we have to multiply this. Okay. So this sum product will multiply this array 1 and array 2. So I will show you step by step. So once the array 1 comes, you have to select this rate. So entire rate column. Okay, so you have to select properly. So rate column. So once you selected, you have to put one comma. So now it will ask for the array 2. You have to select the quantity. Once you select and give that, immediately you will get the answer. So you will saving the three-step process to single step process. So this is the power of this sum product. Okay, everybody understand? I will repeat once again. If sum product array 1 is the rate, you have to select this rate value, comma, array 2 is the quantity. Okay, so I want to tell one thing. Some person will do like this. Okay, they select the rate correctly. Okay, so in the quantity they will select from the C3. If you select like this, the value will not come properly, because array 1 is this and array 2 is this. Array 1 is this, array 2 is this. Like this formula will work. If you not properly selected, this formula will not work. Otherwise it will zigzag and the result will be showing a wrong. So I want everybody to use the proper way of sum product. I will show you some few example in this itself, so that you will get understand. So I put sum product. I will put this B2 column and C2 column alone, so that you will understand. So now I select this array 1 as B2 column, comma array 2 as C2 column. So you see this, it will multiply 50 into 100, which is 5000. So this is the power of some product. So if in your organization you have a stock, you are doing some MIS, so they have a lot of stocks in your products. For example, some 100 products. They have a rate, the quantity is that, but you no need to add additional column. You have to put this some product within a fraction of second. You will get the answer. Hope this some product will helpful for you to save your time. So thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the forthcoming video. Have a nice day. Bye.